Understanding Order Takeout, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, order takeout. This is a phrase you'll hear often, especially when talking about food and dining. So, let's break it down and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Order takeout refers to the process of ordering food from a restaurant, but instead of eating it at the restaurant, you take it away to eat at home, at work, or somewhere else. This phrase is very common in English-speaking countries and is a part of everyday dining language. It's important to note that takeout can also be referred to as takeaway in some English-speaking countries, like the UK and Australia. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in real-life scenarios. You can say, "I'm going to order takeout tonight because I don't feel like cooking." Or if you're asking someone about their plans, you might say, "Are you cooking tonight? Or are you planning to order takeout?" These examples show how this phrase can be easily integrated into everyday conversation. Order takeout isn't just limited to ordering food for home. It can be used in various contexts. For instance, if you're at work and planning to have lunch at your desk, you might say, "I'll order takeout for lunch today." It's a versatile phrase that adapts to many situations involving getting food to eat elsewhere. I hope this video helps clarify what order takeout means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, language is all about practice, so don't hesitate to use this phrase whenever you can. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.